Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel माँ की दुआ. In this video I am telling you about the application which is Audiomack music downloader. So let's start the video and let's talk about it in detail. But guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, must subscribe my YouTube channel माँ की दुआ and press the bell icon. Stream and download great new music. Discover playlist, search feed and my library options. Moreover, save data, 10 million views, 10 million offline songs and much more. Discover the hottest new trending music as well. Browse curated playlist by genre, mood and more. Follow your favorite artist on the Audiomack. Now I will tell you about other details of this application. Stream and download the best new trending music, full track, offline, data free, and listen to your local MP3. Browse music from best artists in top categories like hip hop, rap, R&B, EDM, Afropop and reggae on the Audiomack music app. You can easily download and listen offline songs without using your data or listen to your personal MP3 collection. Audiomack provide download access and unlimited stream to newest track and right at your fingertips. A music download feature allows you to play your favorite songs offline, and our trending section shows you the best album and songs that are available right now. Plus, you can listen to all local MP3s, WAV, MP4A, M4A, AAC and other local files right from the app. You can even get exclusive messages from your favorite artist by following them through our Connect tab feature. Moreover, key features include stream unlimited full music track and mixtapes that are new or trending. Be the first of your friends to be up on what's next. Download full song and albums for offline data, free listening, no Wi-Fi. You can listen while using other apps and play as many hip hop, Afrobeat, electronic, reggae and dance hall full track as you want. Favorite track, album and playlist, and easily search, browse and shuffle your favorite collection on demand. Listen to local music like MP3s, AAC, M4A, WAV and other files from local file player. Listen to all these and browse expertly curated playlist by mood, genre and much more. Create unlimited playlist of your own and follow your favorite artist, producer, tastemaker and introducing 21 Savage, Kevin Gates and others. Hip hop, trap from Migos, 21 Savage, Young Thug, NBA, Gunna, Juice WRLD and Chance the Dat. Moreover, all these options are available. But regarding to all that, if you have any query, you can ask it to me in the comment section. And if you are new to my YouTube channel माँ की दुआ, must subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos and details. Thank you so much guys for watching. Keep watching and keep supporting. Thank you so much.